The festive season is here. But just because it's the holidays, it does not mean that you should overindulge in rich foods and sweet treats. Here are 7 simple tips on how to eat healthier during the festive season while still having fun. These tips apply to meal preparations as well. Tip 1. Choose to eat foods that are natural, unprocessed or minimally processed, such as fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, fresh meats and fish. Avoid processed foods like ham, bacon, smoked duck, sausages, mince pies, etc. Tips 2. Use herbs and spices for seasoning rather than salt alone for tastier and healthier dishes. Examples include broccoli sautéed with garlic, fish with lemon dill sauce, roasted Cajun turkey breast. Tip 3. Instead of deep-fried foods, choose foods that have been baked, grilled, steamed or braised. Tip 4. Load up on greens. The fiber in vegetables provides bulk and helps you feel fuller for a longer period. Tip 5. Choose lean proteins over fatty meats. Do your blood cholesterol a favor by removing the skin from turkey, chicken or duck and trimming the excess fats of red meats such as pork and beef. Tip 6. Swap out refined grains such as white rice for whole grain varieties such as brown rice and oatmeal. If you are making your own desserts, go with healthier recipes using multigrain or whole wheat flour. Tip 7, which is also the last tip of the day. Be mindful of how much sugar-sweetened beverages you consume. It's best to just take unsweetened drinks or plain water. Remember to also limit your alcohol intake to the recommended amounts per day. Avoid eggnogs, cocktails, ciders, dessert or sweet wines as they are high in refined sugar. That's all the tips we have. And from all of us in NUH, we would like to wish you a healthy Christmas and Happy New Year.